If you've been watching our videos, you know that MAXX-D makes plenty of great trailers to equip the blue-collar workers of this country. Today, I want to show off their best-selling flatbed trailer. This is the MAXX-D LDX trailer, Tandem Dually Flatbed, and in the most popular configuration, 32 feet of deck, the MAXX mega ramps, and 12K tandem hydraulic disc brake axles. This trailer has a GV of 25,990, just under 26,000 pounds, saving you that 12% FET tax. But still has a 17,300 pound cargo capacity. Comes with 2-speed jacks, big toolbox lockable in the front, and a winch plate on the gooseneck frame. And of course, a full-size spare is also included. The maxed out ramps can handle anything you want to load on this trailer, and they double as a stairmaster. So you too can have calves like Mike. MAXX-D makes these trailers to last a long time, using 12-inch 19-pound I-beam and equipped with a bridge and torque tube. So this is the LDX, but we have other flatbeds like the TDX, Tandem Dually Full Tilt Trailer, the YDX with a hydraulic dovetail, and the LHX, which is a 40K flatbed trailer. And if you don't see what you want, we have many on order. So tell us what you want, what axles you want, what color you want, what options you want. We'll change one of those on order, and it'll come with your name on it. This is Mike from Ocala Trailer, part of the Burnyzz Motorsports Complex.